Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear friends, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear friends, here I am Muhammad Farooq Hossain, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. And now I am going to conduct a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 6. And today we are going to discuss about your assignment number 1. Okay, so let's try to solve it. Dear students, this is your assignment number 1, Bangladesh and Global Studies class 6. The chapter and title of the content: chapter 1, history of Bangladesh. Okay, that means this is all about your chapter 1 from your textbook, history of Bangladesh. And there are the lessons. All the lessons of chapter 1 are here. Lesson 1 and 2, liberation of Bangladesh. Lesson 3, 4 and 5, human settlement and political history of Bangladesh. Lesson 6, glories of ancient Bangladesh, society, economics, religion. Lesson 7, glories of ancient Bangladesh, entertainment, culture, agriculture, scripture and fine arts. Lesson 8, glories of Bangladesh, language, literature, education. Lesson 9, Bangladesh in the Middle Age. Lesson 10, Bangladesh in the modern age. Difference from these lessons, question has been made. And now assignment or assigned task. This is your actually task for the assignment. Make an illustrated poster on the Liberation War movement and Bangabandhu's contribution from 1952 to 1971. Dear friends, this is the main fact. That means you have to make an illustrated poster. So you know that a poster may form like this. Okay, and what is written here? It will contains or it will about on the Liberation War movement and Bangabandhu's contribution from 1952 to 1971. You have to write this on that poster. Then how you will write it? In instructions. The duration of the movement will be mentioned sequentially. That means, although it's called sequentially, that means you have to follow the chronological of the events. That means you know that in 1952 what happened. After that in 1966, actually in 1952 you know that our language movement was held. So I will do it later, wait. So we have to follow that sequence. That means after 1952 we have to write what happened in 1966, and after that we have to write it what happened in 1969, like this. Then Bangabandhu's picture will be drawn by own hand or from paper cutting or from internet and add it. That means on that poster you have to draw Bangabandhu's picture, our father of nations picture, either by your hand. I will prefer more if you draw it by yourself at the poster, and if you are unable to draw it on the poster, then you may collect it or you may collect the picture of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman from paper cutting or from internet. Okay, but by these three only if you do it or if you draw it by your own hand, we will prefer you more. But if you are unable to draw the picture by your hand or by you, then you may collect it from internet or from paper cutting. Then collect pictures of different movements from any medium and add them to the side of each movement. And here are some assignment criteria are given here. That means how you will get excellent, how you will get very good, how you will get good, and if you do such kind of mistakes, then you will get need to progress. Okay? And you know that the subject matter is accurate and consistent. Information and ideas should be relevant to the subject matter, significant level of individuality and creativity. If you have all these qualities, then you will get excellent, and in most of the cases the subject matter is accurate and consistent. In most of the cases, information and ideas are relevant to the subject matter. Partial significant level of individuality and creativity. If you have such kind of qualities on your poster, then you will get good, and like this you will get good and then need to progress. You all know this, but on the poster now I will discuss about how you will write it. Dear students, first of all I will say the topic. What should be the topic? You will write the topic from the question. What is written here? Make an illustrated poster on the Liberation War movement and Bangabandhu's contribution from 1952 to 1971. So your topic would be from here, an illustrated poster. An illustrated poster on the Liberation War movement and Bangabandhu's contribution from 1952 to 1971. You know that you will get a format for your assignment. On that format, at the place of topic, you will write it an illustrated poster on the Liberation War movement and Bangabandhu's contribution from 1952 to 1971. Okay? This would be your topic, and after that you will write your name, class, role, section, etc. And on this poster, how you will write? Okay? That means you know that the first event was held in 1952. So you will write 1952. After writing it, you will have to illustrate picture related 1952 and then give the description what happened in 1952. That means you know that 1952 our language movement was held. Then what happened in 1966? What happened in 1966? You know that in 1966 at Lahore, on 5 February in 1966 at Lahore, Bangabandhu gave his 6-point demand. So you will write about that 6-point demand here, and here you will illustrate any that related picture. Then 1969. Dear students, what actually happened in 1969? In 1969, our mass uprising was held. Then you will illustrate any picture, then describe on that picture or on 1969's mass uprising. Okay? And after 1966, what happened in 1970? Dear students, in 1970, what happened? In 1970, an election was held in our state. So you will give the description here and give any that related picture here, and you may download all the pictures from internet. And after that, in 1971, dear students, you know that in 1971 a lot of events are available in our history. So in 1971, first most important event is Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's 7 March 7 March, on 7 March, Bangabandhu declared the independence of our Bangabandhu gave a speech on 7 March. So, here you will get 7 March related picture, and after that 7 March you will give 1971's 25th March, dead night, what happened, okay? Then you will elaborate something, and after at the end you will write finally when we got our independence. After giving a description, in 1907, 16 December, okay, and you will write that about 16 December. That means in 1971 you may illustrate a lot of events, but I have given the most important events. They are 7 March, 25 March and 16 December. So by doing this you have to add a lot of pictures, okay, but to add too much picture is really hardest task for you. So I will request you to add as far as you can, but don't take it too much hardly. That means I have to add all the pictures, so it would be very much hard for you, but I will request you to add at least 3 or 4 pictures at least, and try to draw Bangabandhu's picture by your own hand. It would be more preferable. Dear students, this was actually all about your assignment number 1 of Bangladesh and Global Studies, and if you face any problem, then you may contact with me or Sabrina Jahan Bhuya Miss. And dear students, this assignment submission date is 5th April 2021. Dear students, this is all about your assignment number 1, and I hope you all have understood, and if you have any problem or if you face any problem, just inform me about that. I will try to solve it. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.